Lamborghini has always been a brand built on excess, emotion, and defiance. For decades, its identity has been inseparable from roaring V12 engines, sharp angles, and a sense of drama few manufacturers could match. Now, the company is preparing for its most radical shift yet. This is the Lamborghini EV Spy Report, a look at how one of the world's most extreme supercar brands is entering the electric era without losing its soul. Lamborghini's journey toward electrification is not sudden or accidental. It follows a clearly defined strategy known as Direzione Tauri, officially announced by the brand. This plan set Lamborghini on a path of gradual transformation, starting with hybrids and moving toward full electric power. Models like the Revuelto proved that electrification could enhance performance rather than dilute it. The next step, however, is far more significant: Lamborghini's first fully electric production car. Spy reports and executive statements strongly suggest that this upcoming EV will be inspired by the Lanzador concept. Rather than replacing an existing supercar, Lamborghini appears to be creating a new category altogether. The vehicle is expected to take the form of a high-performance, two-door Grand Tour with a slightly raised stance. This layout allows Lamborghini to combine everyday usability with the aggressive proportions and visual drama its fans expect. Design will remain unmistakably Lamborghini. Sharp body lines, dramatic lighting signatures, and an extremely wide, low-slung appearance are all expected, even with the elevated ride height. Aerodynamics will play a central role, with active elements designed to manage airflow and cooling for high-speed driving. Spy Insiders suggest that the final design will look futuristic, but still aggressive enough to be instantly recognizable as a Lamborghini. Under the surface, the electric Lamborghini will be built on a dedicated performance EV platform developed within the Volkswagen Group. While related to architectures used by Porsche and Audi, Lamborghini engineers are reportedly tuning it specifically for emotional driving. Power is expected to come from multiple electric motors, likely a dual or quad motor configuration, enabling advanced all-wheel drive and precise torque vectoring. Performance targets are nothing short of extreme. Credible reports point toward power outputs exceeding 1,000 horsepower. Acceleration is expected to rival or surpass today's fastest supercars, with 0 to 100 kilometers per hour times well under 3 seconds. But Lamborghini's focus goes beyond straight-line speed. Chassis balance, steering feedback, and driver engagement remain central to the development philosophy. Battery and charging technology are also critical. The car is widely expected to use an 800-volt electrical system, allowing ultra-fast charging and consistent performance under heavy load. Lamborghini has stated that sustained high-performance driving is a requirement, not an option. Thermal management systems are therefore being engineered to handle aggressive use without compromise. Inside, the cabin will represent a new evolution for the brand. Expect a driver-focused cockpit filled with digital displays, advanced connectivity, and configurable driving modes. However, Lamborghini is unlikely to embrace minimalism. Physical switches, bold materials, and a sense of theater will remain key. High-end leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and sustainable materials are all expected to feature prominently. One of the biggest challenges is sound. Lamborghini executives have acknowledged that silence is not acceptable for the brand. Spy reports suggest an artificial sound system is being developed, not to replicate combustion engines, but to create a new emotional audio identity for electric Lamborghinis. Pricing is expected to sit at the very top of the lineup, likely exceeding current flagship models. Production will remain in Santa Agata Bolognese, preserving Lamborghini's Italian craftsmanship. Launch timing points to the latter part of the decade, with a reveal expected before 2030. This electric Lamborghini is more than a new model. It is a statement, a declaration that electrification does not mean surrender. If Lamborghini succeeds, it will prove that the future of supercars can still be loud in emotion, even when it's silent in sound.